Ore, may.
Hah?
Ore.
Apa nga?
Ore. Ore.
Ore! Tak betul eh. Apa itu taki?
Ore.
Onang, onang. Onang. Onang, dak ako ita. Ya guys. Tapalikan tiro tilong silaka. Lokan tiro to penonton di tilong silaka. Kita mau nonton orang yang menonton tilong silaka guys. Berkenang, menang, mana ni? Tute. Oke.
Den dong.
Dong, dong. Kita akan menonton penonton. Wah. Wih. Apa tuh guys? Ya. Sebentar lagi adu kerbau akan segera digelar di sini. Di arena apa ya guys? Wah. Ada Mas jatuh. Buffalo Soldier. Tedong silaka. Tadi singki ki live dog kita di pesor udah kok ki live kile. Dibubarkan kidog kita di om live le. Dibubarkan kidog kita waya. Iya. Baik di sini ki live. Disuaki dibubarkan dog kita kan. Tak cara dibubarkan dog kok. Iya. Halo Mister. Okay. Yo, good. Oh, you alone?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Where come from?
Germany.
Germany. Oh, German. Okay, guys. Okay, we see buffalo fighting. Buffalo.
You saw the ceremony,
Yeah. Today.
but it started early, yeah?
Yeah.
What time did it start today?
This morning, 12.
12.
Yeah. Tomorrow morning, from morning till afternoon.
Tomorrow also?
Yeah. Also, yes, because all the people and family comes to
Tomorrow morning, what time?
maybe 10. Yeah.
10, and what they're doing? They kill the buffalo?
Yeah, and early in the morning, buffalo killing maybe 2 buffalo.
10 o'clock.
No, maybe 7 or 8 ya.
In the
Japir
morning.
kan tigor tom siang lampi itu. Tak pada tigor siang. Kusade pemisa di tigor bisa ada 2. Biasa den tuh. Milampir kan tuh kian. Milampir kita ya. Maybe 7 or 8.
7
Yeah,
or...
before people comes.
They're doing it in the same place?
Yeah, the same place. Yeah. The day after tomorrow, all the buffalo will be slaughtered.
Day after tomorrow?
Yeah, the day after tomorrow. After tomorrow, yeah.
So,
All the people, all the buffalo.
so tomorrow only...
Only maybe 2 buffaloes.
And day after tomorrow is...
All of maybe pyramid, maybe more than 10, I think.
Okay, so
Yeah.
festival is Mapalele?
Mapalele,
This one?
This morning, Mapalele. Yeah. Mapalele. Baru tu dia kata Mapalele ni na. Baru ni atau Mapalele dia cara.
But day after tomorrow is the big...
Yeah.
What time? Also in the morning?
Also in the morning, yeah, maybe 8.
8, okay.
8, yeah. Preparing all the buffalo.
8 o'clock.
All the day only for meat. Yeah, meat.
They killed 10.
Maybe more than 10.
Wow.
But yeah, because separate of a couple of buffalo give for the
For the family.
maybe for the church, for the kelompok group group in the village.
But it's in the same place, yes?
Yeah, same place.
Tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Okay.
The day after tomorrow only two, only for eat together. And the day after tomorrow all the
Big festival.
yeah will be served for all the people around this village.
Yeah.
Yeah, they've met. Yeah,
So I will come day after tomorrow.
yeah,
Have a look.
yeah. And tomorrow people come.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, a lot of people come.
But also in other places,
Yo, all the district around the Toraja have funeral. Yeah, because today is vacation day for the students. So the family come from the city,
Yeah.
come to make funeral for their parents.
okay.
Yeah, until July. Yeah, June and July. July. How many days you in Toraja?
I don't know, just arrived today.
Oh, just like
Maybe
today.
I stay 3 days.
Oh, 3 days. Oh, yeah.
So day after tomorrow, I will go early morning, have a look.
Yeah. Yeah. Jayapura hadir untuk news. Tangke halo, payung halo. Oke. Alto sambil halo. Oke baik. Berkua. Onang. Bagaimana Onang? Onang. Sila kate dong. Ate awasan sila kate dong guys. Wah, ito tanong natin dia ulit. Dilem. Kilbag kita dulu guys.
Iya, masa itu.
Oh, tapi tidak mau mawang itu dong, pipayu.
Oke, Muhammad Jani yang Samarinda hadir bosku. Oke, terima kasih dari Samarinda. Apa berkali kampete guys? Oh, sorry do.
Silakan deh.
Dako pa. Telepon dulu.
Nasi turu ada na.
Telepon pa dulu.
Nako pasila ka ba mi de?
Apa kajulu untuk terong lo?
So, Genesis.
Genesis. Oke. Guys.
Mai.
Pasilah kami. Wih. Kara ada. Gemoy. Wah, gemoy boleh teh, gemoy. Gemoy. Kita harus menjauh ini guys. Saya takut lihat terus si Tiaga. I'm very afraid. I'm afraid. Ini menjauh. Woi. Bahaya guys. Woi, lari. Woi. Woi, fogo. Lari guys. Ditalo Gemoy le. Gemoy ditalo guys. Gemoy lagi. Gemoy.
Oh, pulay tama po ka na sa ngalao. Malam ka
Oh, Moira.
Nawayan na libre tama tuloy ito lang sumo na.
Gemoy lose.
My team winning.
Yeah, this team winning.
I'm in this team.
Woi.
Depar ka? Yeah, live stream. Facebook. For the family. They can come to the funeral. So they watching from.
I see.
Yeah.
Now finish, yeah? Or one more?
Okay, maybe finish. Only.
Dito nga sa amin katingin na sa'yo saki.
Pira kira-kira itu tenggor ke aventura itu tuh. Siguro na biasa to, mura pito torokyan.
Sila bisa mapulot.
Sila 50. Kata Belanda tuh bukutan ni.
Tama. Labi ko mapulot pero ang tipo.
Iya, tapi biasa matenda biasa siguro siya le.
Hi.
Iya. Yeah, they say that maybe more than 10 will be slaughter in the day after tomorrow.
Bisa mo siya to.
Ha?
Bisa mo dito nung.
Bisa tuh ada dua, biasa bisa dile.
Ya bisa.
So tomorrow there's not much to see, yeah?
Yeah. Only one in the early in the morning maybe. Only one.
Only
tomorrow.
one?
Yeah. The day after tomorrow, all of the maybe more than 10.
So I should come at 7 o'clock?
As fast as possible. Yeah, 7 maybe.
But today they only kill one, yeah?
Okay, only kill one. Small one. Only to eat together this tonight after frying.
Okay, and
Yeah.
tomorrow the same, yes?
Yes, same. Yeah.
The day after tomorrow, okay. I will come.
Okay. You can go to another funeral tomorrow.
Yes.
If you want, yeah.
It's a big one, maybe 10 kilometers from here.
Yeah.
I forget the name. Do you know where it is?
So all the district around in Toraja and North Toraja has a funeral for the nowadays. Yeah. So in Sangala, my village also, Makale also, for
Makale.
Makale also, yeah.
Wait, let me see. Makale.
Makale in Tanah Toraja.
It's not far from here.
More than 10 kilometers. Almost 20 kilometers from here, Makale, yeah.
It's the big city, yeah?
Yeah, big city, yeah.
But where in the city I can find it?
If you go the way, if you go to Makassar, yeah, Makassar, yeah. If we go to Makassar, we can
Here,
Makale. Where's Makale?
here.
Oh yeah. Because we are. Oh, Makale, yeah. We are in Natepo.
And where to find
We go to the south, yeah. Okay. One more buffalo will be Ratu.
but where to find the celebration?
Yeah.
Peaceful.
Peaceful. Yeah, peaceful.
Already over, yeah?
Yeah, over, yeah.
Tumangi Meneng, tumangi Meneng. Wah, tumangi Meneng, Meneng itu Meneng, tumangi Meneng. Tanya Meneng. Nangis Meneng. Kanya jangan nangis,
But where you don't know in Makile?
I don't know exactly where is the funeral there. Yeah.
So I have to go.
Because I only know that my friend doing documentation. Yeah. In my village, my district Sangala, is also. Also in Friday, one day before burial, all the buffalo is killed
Okay.
on Friday. Yeah. Maybe.
Oh, they try again
Yeah.
to fight.
Try again to fight. Oh. Nah.
Mga ito.
Wah, pemalas. Weh. Pemalas. Baru harga kais. Baru asyur ale. Okay. Where do you stay in Rantipao?
Oh, in some homestay.
Homestay.
Yes.
In the city?
No, a little bit outside.
Oh,
It's
outside.
very calm. It's very difficult to find these places. What is the name of the ceremony?
Where? Here.
In Makile.
Makale. I don't know exactly where it's there.
But what is the name of ceremony?
General in Toraja says tomatomate. Yeah, tomatomate is a ceremony in Toraja language. Tomatomate. Yeah. Tomatomate. General name for the funeral in Toraja. Tomatomate. If you go to Makale, you can asking for. Oh, or maybe you can leave your number. I can asking for my
Oh, that would be nice.
because we have a guide group. Yeah, maybe they can share.
And is it maybe again at 7 o'clock in the morning?
Yeah. informasi ante.
Woi.
Woi, dia ya? Woi, Genesis lagi. Oke, Genesis. Woi. Kita harus cari jalan hari nih. Woi. Woi. Ada kita otomatis lo lama kali guys. Ada semuanya. Ibadah pakai dorong. Mana sudah? Ya. Hey. Si ulah-ulaman na ya guys. Woi, piya-piya daw na. Ate ko. Tayo na ulit tapi dolo yung muka lah. Nah.
Oh, lari ya.
Menang. Nakanting niya. Woi.
This one wants to fight one more because he lose the first fight.
Ah, baby.
Genesis, he lose the first fight, so he wants.
Yeah, I want to.
Now he want.
Yeah, he want to win. Yeah, they are looking for the enemy. Bawa dia batu atau tuat tandai. Ini kau pernah nagala le? Iya, boy. Oke, do tampon ito ni 14 sampai 21 ke saya pa. Yar tu masih ana nada di sama mana.
Ulang, tiada.
Dari kada tawa tinggor masih ang tulan nada. Oke. Apa ya? Oh. Oke, foto-foto tahu dulu. Wah, yuk omnya ya.
Sudah.
Wah, taruh mau kacang lu teh budak pendukur ya. Mantar. Ah, aku kapita iwa hari kayak kasku. Lempar kah? How you come here? Bicycle? Motorcycle?
No, bus.
Bus?
Yes.
Oh, this place?
Oh, here I walk.
Yeah.
I
Walk?
walk. Yes.
Oh, from Rantepao? From the city,
Yeah,
Rantepao?
not far.
Not far, yeah.
Maybe 15 minutes.
15 minutes, yeah.
So I can give you my number and maybe you
Yeah.
can message me if you know. That would be very nice. of
Okay,
you.
yeah.
It would be very nice because it's very difficult to find this place.
Yeah.
Also today I asked many people, so I was very late. When it finished, I arrived there.
Yeah. What's your number, please?
Okay. This is my WhatsApp. Only for
WhatsApp,
WhatsApp. I have Indonesian number, but this is
What's up? What's name?
Philip.
Philips.
PHI.
P
LIP.
Like this.
No S, no S.
Nice, yeah.
Philip.
From German.
Yes.
German. Yeah. I can remember.
What's your name?
Victor.
Victor.
People call me Ompit.
Ompit.
Ompit. Yeah,
Okay.
people call me Ompit. Yeah, thank you from Philips. Yeah. Okay, see you.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Yes.
Okay. Nice to meet you today.
Nice to meet you too, Victor.
Okay, yeah.
Omid.
I can give you information if I have information from a friend.
Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
yeah,
It would be
okay.
nice.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you. Yeah.
Have a nice day, yeah?
Okay, see you tomorrow.
You, yeah, you will be there, yes?
Yeah, because I want to filming the prying
Okay.
tonight. Yeah.
But maybe I will be there day after tomorrow because
Yeah.
tomorrow there's, for me, not much to see, yes?
Yeah. You come early. Day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow,
Yeah.
7 o'clock, yes?
Yeah, 7 is good.
Okay.
You can wait. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You will
Because
see-
if you don't come, oh maybe I can come day after tomorrow here, because if not allowed to live stream for the buffalo killing. Yeah.
I see.
I come here for Saturday for the burial.
Okay.
Yeah, for burial.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Hello.
Foto. Wait.
Halo. Halo. Yo, halo Wende. Halo Raketi. Yo. Dari mana tahun? Yo, halo. Baru kita siapa? Tak mau pa ya, tak mo pa di mana matunuin na. Iya. Paling kira sakar ada apa piasi tulong na goreng kira ni siya naman. Iya, ini lalu orang tepote. Baru ada kapya. Apa pasangan itu? Baik. Patalo kanina tuh. Hindi na talo. Bantay harus ko mo nasir. Onang, patalo ko nang. Aduh kayak guys. Boy. Monang kapalan nanti. Woi. Ngapri. Ngapri pia. Ngapri pagi sore. Apa lagi pistolnya nih? Wah, di nomor ini nah. dia no main lawan dah. Ay nak ke wayar bo em ke sule-sule. Terserah ka tu.
Iya, emang kami nak.
Mangka italo boleh. Emoy. Apa ni? Apa inoka? Lipas sila ka mo, kailan mo tata? Ay, nalaka mo toto na we. Oke. Judelis Putra Barak apa ya? Barak Padang. Barak TV oke Mbak. Ya, terima kasih. Nah. Ya, naik ya silaga guys.
Silaga guys.
Tidak mau guys, awas terlap pokoknya.
Guys, tadi bang
Gimana kan masyarakat langsung itu om? Masyarakat langsung kami.
Iyo,
Di mana?
tadi itu om.
iya di Facebook,
Apa nama anu mi?
Sangat TV.
Sangat latif dah.
Iya, jangan lupa di senggol-senggol ya.
Iya.
Di
Dari
subscriber
tadi itu
kah?
kami masyarakat langsung
Sangat
om.
latif.
Iya, apa nih?
Ay.
Ma kereta tadi, nuka kau dia setting. Iya, pala lagi mau macam ya.
Kalain aku om.
Apa di muka mungkin setting kau.
Apa ngar?
Bakit? Terus ko baga. Tirong mo.
Oh, maru aliu mo ya. Ay, maru aliu tu bocah-bocah lo may kasi wah. Bocah-bocah ini.
Mimi, joko dah nak.
Woi, tidak perlu lupa. Baru adu kayak guys. Baru adu kayak oke lah. Ayo tolak. Oke, terima kasih. Kita istirahat dulu.